morning all of you. Carbonyl compound. In this video we are going to discuss a very most important heading, Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. Reduction to hydrocarbon. The carbonyl compounds aldehyde and ketones can be reduced to methylene group using a suitable reducing agent to give hydrocarbon. Addition of hydrogen, 4 hydrogen we will use it, therefore 4 hydrogen. In presence of reducing agent, the carbonyl compound is converted into hydrocarbon. In this, we are going to discuss about Clemmensen reduction. The reducing agent used in Clemmensen reduction is zinc amalgam and corn hydrochloric acid HCl is used as a reducing agent in Clemmensen reduction. So, after writing the equation, I will tell what is zinc amalgam, why zinc amalgam is used. Acetaldehyde CH3, C double bond OH, 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond N, aldehyde Al. When reduced in presence of zinc amalgam in concentrated HCl, addition of hydrogen is called reduction. 2 H2 molecules are added, 1 H2 molecule, another H2 molecule. So, 1 H plus, another H plus O2 minus is removed as H2O. These 2 hydrogens are added to this carbon atom, CH3, CH3. Now, I add these 2 hydrogens, CH3, C, 1 hydrogen, another hydrogen and this third hydrogen plus loss of 1 molecule of H2O. What is this compound? Nothing but our second hydrocarbon CH3, CH3, 2 carbon ethane, carbon single bond N, ethane. Like that, ketone, the first ketone, acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. IUPAC name of acetone we know. 3 carbon prop, carbon single bond N, ketone 1. When reduced in presence of the reducing agent, zinc amalgam, corn HCl, addition of hydrogen is called reduction. H2, 2 molecules of H2. H plus O2 minus removed as H2O. These 2 hydrogens are added to this carbon atom. These 2 hydrogens are added to this carbon atom gives CH3, CH2, here you have 1 CH3 plus loss of H2O. How many carbon we have? 3 carbon. 3 carbon root word propane, carbon single bond N, ketone, N, alkane, propane. Now, in Clemmensen reduction, the zinc is activated by mercury by dissolving zinc into Hg. That means, individual atoms of zinc that are distributed evenly in the alloy. We know what is meant by amalgam. Any metal form a compound with mercury is called amalgam. So, when zinc powder is added to mercury, The individual atom of zinc are distributed in this alloy. The distribution of zinc in mercury is similar to how sugar is dissolved and evenly distributed in aqueous solution. So, zinc amalgam performs in this reaction as if it were a solution of zinc. In addition, the reaction of zinc with hydrochloric acid HCl, zinc undergo oxidation, lost electron becomes positive ion plus combine with the minus, gives zinc chloride and liberate HCl, H2. The zinc with hydrochloric acid releases hydrogen gas. However, when this reaction takes place with the zinc amalgam, the individual hydrogen molecules that are formed by the reaction of zinc and HCl remain in the reactive state. When the same reaction is carried out with the zinc amalgam, the hydrogen gas is in the reactive state, sometimes called nascent hydrogen, and react with the carbonyl compound, either ketone or aldehyde, to initiate the reduction reaction. So, in a way, the mercury in zinc amalgam serves to trap the active hydrogen as it is formed and allow it to attack the carbonyl compound rather than the released as hydrogen molecule. So, this is why we are using zinc amalgam in Clemmensen reduction. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.